So today guys, you're looking at the removed headliner board from a BF Ford Falcon sedan, and it's come in for a headliner recovery. And what's happened is it's at the age where the headliner fabric's going to start to sag. As you can see here, it's quite bad, and what happens is the foam just gets old, it starts to turn that orange color, crumbles away, and then that's what makes the fabric fall away from the board. So the customer has selected to get this one recovered in a black dark grey option, which is this one here, and that's actually called anthracite. Usually seen on the Holden B Commodores, the Volkswagens, Audi, BMWs, pretty much any car that usually comes out black from factory is this type of anthracite flat knit type of material. So we will go ahead and recover this one now in the black, reinstall it back in, and you guys can see what it looks like. Also, one thing to keep in mind, the customer has left the light grey plastics. They haven't changed the colour to black yet. It does look quite nice leaving them light grey anyway. It sets up a nice contrast with the bottom darker half of the car. So yeah, we'll put the GoPro on now and you guys can check out what it looks like. If you're looking for the steps to take on how to recover a car headliner board, we have like the full do-it-yourself steps to follow with pictures, text, video footage. It will be titled Headlining Secrets. It'll be in the description below. It'll be a downloadable ebook. If you grab the one that's got the extra bonus material where it's like AU, BA, BF, Ford Falcon do-it-yourself class, we'll show you along on how to drop down the headliner boards, recover them and put them back in. So anyway, we'll show you what this looks like now, and if you like the content, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you here on the next video. All right.